Have you ever tried speaking English non-stop for an entire minute? Sounds tough, right? Well, today we are going to do just like that. And I will show you how it can totally boost your fluency. Stick around to take on this challenge with me. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yasmin Khatun and I am on a journey to learn English, and I share tips, ideas and challenges to help you improve your English too. So today's video we are going to do the 1 minute speaking challenge. This challenge is all about speaking in English for 1 full minute without stopping. Sounds tough, right? Well, don't worry. We are going to take it step by step and I will explain you how you can do it too. So let's get started. The goal is to speak continuously for 1 minute without pausing, without saying and without stopping to think too much. You are going to try to speak about any topic for a full minute, even if you don't feel totally confident. The important thing is here fluency, not perfection. Just like other skill, the more you practice, the better you get at it. Now, I'm going to give myself a topic to talk about it for 1 minute without stopping. The topic I'm going to talk about is my favorite hobby. Okay, before I start my challenge, I need to set a timer. Now start. I love reading books. One of my favorite hobbies is reading because it helps me relax and learn new things. When I read, I can escape to different worlds and experience different lives. Sometimes I read fiction books and other times I read non-fiction books to learn more about history or for my self-improvement. My favorite genre is mystery because I love solving puzzles in my mind. Reading also helps me improve my vocabulary and learn new expressions. Every time I finish a book, I feel proud of myself. Actually, the time is over. Okay, I did it. That was my 1 minute challenge. I know it was not perfect and there was few pauses and that's okay. The goal is to keep going even if you make mistakes. I want you to try this challenge too. Pick any topic you like or you are comfortable and set a 1 minute timer and speak without stopping. Even if it's hard at first, don't give up. With time, your confidence and fluency will improve. I hope you enjoyed this challenge with me. Don't forget to leave a comment below telling me about your experience, what topic you chose and how did it go. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you are not already subscriber, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video in this series. Let's keep practicing English together and improving our English skills every day. See you in the next video and keep speaking English.